guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stayblowingminds back with another video. I know I look like a bum. Heard you. You do not need to say it. Don't judge. I basically, let me sit down a little bit. I'm so silly. Later in the summer, I decided to do a little project on my balcony, and I was like, I'm not gonna film it because I'm not going hard. The bistro set that I originally wanted to buy was out of stock, and I didn't want to spend too much money because it was already like going into August. And I was like, frig, yo, I don't have that much time on the balcony. Let me do something cheap. And I did not film it. I apologize. So, I've been, posting on my Snapchat and like, posting some pictures on Instagram. And people are asking me, where is that? Where did you go? Is that your balcony? And I'm like, you know what, girl? You should have filmed it. So, I did not film it. So, I decided to give you guys a balcony tour. Mind you, my balcony is small. But I just wanted to share with you guys where I purchased some of the stuff. Whether or not you live in somewhere warm. I live in Toronto, so I'm gonna have to take this apart in the next couple of weeks because it's September. But if you live somewhere warm, this is for you. Or if you want to do it next year, it's for you. I apologize. I'm gonna tell you guys where I got everything and roughly an estimate of how much it cost. Just because, people have been asking me, and I said, let me share. Let me share, honey. So, stay tuned. I don't need to say what I've been through. You already know what I'm into. You be reading my mind like it's simple. Got 'em banging my line like it's too. Never gotta worry about no issues. You play it on time when I rank you. Made 'em race down my neck and the wrist. Here we go, guys. This is the first thing I want to show you guys. It's a little palm tree that I got. Actually, one of my friends bought it for me at some store for like $20. Thank you, Adrian, for buying me that. And then I tried to get a flower pot. Look at the ghetto-ness. I tried to get a flower pot to fit. Didn't fit. Then I ended up ordering this one on Amazon for like $29.99 Canadian. Super cute. Super boho. I really like it. But I didn't even go get soil. So this is the ghetto. Please forgive me. So that's the first thing that I have. I don't know if you guys remember, in July I did a birthday vlog and I did a safari theme picnic. So I just refurbished some of my things. So these are some of the vines that I used for the balloons. I got these on Amazon. I think I got 12 vines for like $20. I'm gonna go look so that I can tell you guys more about where I got these vines. I'm gonna insert a picture of the Amazon thing so you guys can see, because these are always a nice little vibe, even for like birthday parties, fall, just anything. Super cute. So what I did was a little ghetto. I took some tape and I taped them to the wall. I really was gonna come back and use a glue gun, but then I got super comfortable with it and I just said, fuck it, we just gonna be ghetto. We gotta be real close to see it. So yes, the second thing I want to show you guys is my pillows, again from my safari theme picnic. See, I have more. So what had happened was, for my safari theme picnic, I went on Amazon again and I purchased some safari theme cushion covers, and that's what I'm using in some of my old cushions that I have inside. Sorry, this fell. Some of my old cushions, and then I just covered it with that. Boom, it's outside on the balcony. Let's go over here. Do not judge my orchid, okay? My good friend Adrian bought me this orchid, and I was looking for the perfect little flower pot, and I left it at the side of my dresser, and then I bent over to pick something up off the floor and broke it. But you know what, it was a gift. So I watered it, I put it in the potter still, and look, I feel like it's coming back, honey. Have something soon. We gonna have something. Don't judge it, okay? It's growing nicely. And these little bad boys are just from the dollar store. I also bought them when I was having my event for decor. So I said, why not put them outside? Let's talk about this bistro set, honey. Let me sit down. So guys, this bistro set honestly wasn't even the bistro set that I really wanted. I wanted another one, something more cushiony, that type of vibe, bigger. But I was like, you know what? It's not in your budget. And it was sold out, the original one that I wanted. And I didn't just want to buy whatever. So I went on ahead and went to IKEA and got this one. I think it was $59.99. Shout out my girl Lo Ferret. She also did a balcony makeover and she told me about this bistro set. So thank you, Shar. I know her as Shar. You guys know her as Lo Ferret. But she put me onto this and I said, you know what, let me get the red one. You know, a little papa color, you know. Thanks again, girl. So $59.99 at IKEA. I don't regret it at all. It's just so cute. I just feel like it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Okay, let's get to the next side. So let's talk about my little lanterns that I have here, y'all. See my lanterns? Got those on Amazon. And in this plant, Adrian be coming through with the flowers, yo. She be calling me like, girl, I seen the perfect flowers for your balcony. So she got me this one, I think at Costco for like $25. And it's been alive and staying alive. Let's not talk about this bad boy. My brother bought this for me. And it had just as much bushes around there. And had this part in the middle, just like how this part is, right? Everything else died. I had to pull them out. And I started watering this one. I clipped them a little bit. You know, I'm trying to revive it. And look what I see coming up. I don't know what it is, but it's coming up and I'm grateful. Okay, let's talk about my floors, honey. So these little grass, I had them for my event and I had them on the table, like, you know, as some decor, and I had a lot of them left and I said, hey, I bought this at IKEA because what I was going to originally do, I was going to do half of the wood and half of the grass. And then I said, let me start using what I have. So I started putting them together. And then I was like, oh, the grass is sold out. What am I going to do? I just said, you know what? Let me get my little Dollarama mats and just place them in areas. And then because I didn't have enough of these, I bought this chair and I didn't even tile the rest of the floor. You wouldn't even tell. But let me show you this chair that I purchased. This chair I bought on Facebook Market from a family. They sold it to me for 180 Canadian and it was brand new in the box. And I was like, you know what? I just have a habit of scrolling through Facebook Market at furniture, any little thing. And this was brand new when I got it, 180 Canadian. So I mean, it was very inexpensive. Let's say, how much do I think I spent? So let's say 180 plus 50, that's 220, 230, that's 230 plus the flowers is probably $80, under $500. Let's just say under $500 for this lovely little balcony makeover. Not too bad, not too shabby. I'm feeling it. Here's another look, guys. There it is, people. My mini little balcony makeover, guys. I'm actually, you know, very grateful for this little getaway spot. You know, you could get out of your room, you could come on the balcony. Can I tell you, I lived in this building for over 10 years, no, 11 years. I've never transformed my balcony, never sat on my balcony. I more used it for like my son's bicycles, like his little stuff, furniture that I wasn't using, like a little mini storage a little bit, because no one came on the balcony. But this summer and during quarantine, I said, honey, get a little project going. So I said, all right, let me do the balcony. And Loferette kind of inspired me a little bit and was talking to me about it. And I was like, you know what, I should do that too. So I did it. And I wish, guys, that I did it while I was doing it and when I was buying everything. But honestly, I didn't think it was going to come out this good. And I didn't care to film it. And after, Loferette was like, girl, why you ain't film it? My friend Corey, girl, why you ain't film it? I was like, I know. So that's why I'm giving you guys this tour. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Boo. So yeah, I'm gonna work on a project soon. I think I want to change my storage room, and because I film in my storage room sometimes, I think I want to transform it a little bit for you guys for like a good little filming area. And I think I should film it. What do you guys think? Do you guys want to see something like that, me going through the process of transform that little space for filming? Do you guys want to watch something like that? I think it's gonna be my next project, so stay tuned. Love y'all.